All right, guys, here we go. Excuse the mess. House is a mess. Getting ready for a trip to South America, so everything's all over the place. But here we go. We are updating the TLR, so we decided to get. We meaning my cousin Gio and I. Been talking this over. We love these bikes, these TLs. They're kind of old, but they're pretty easy to work on. So here we go. We're going with a 17 tooth sprocket up front. This is by Driven, really nice steel sprocket. We're going with the 520 chain Max X, so this should be able to handle 520X, yeah, 1,000 cc's. So that's good. And it's a black and gold chain, in case you're wondering. So RK is a really good brand. I think that's all I've ever used. So look at the rear sprocket. I think this is an aluminum piece. Again, for the 520 chain, this is gonna be a 41 tooth in the rear, so this will give us a little more torque. It's gonna throw the speedometer off a little bit, but it shouldn't really affect it too much. I mean, I'm not really gonna go up there, you know, I'm not gonna go, you know, high speed. This is a little more, this will give us a little more low end torque. And since we needed rotors, I went with the EBCs. These are full floating, lightweight rotors. They look really nice. I think they're gonna complement the bike really well. There you go. Take a look at them. Made in the UK. I like the Galfers. I've used the Galfers all the time. You know, the Galfers are very popular and all that, but this time I decided to go with the EBC brand. Let's see how this turns out. They feel pretty solid, man. These are no joke. They feel pretty good. I mean, you know, you pay for what you get, and the Galfers are a little more expensive, but I feel like, I don't know, am I really gonna be getting all that extreme with it? No, but it is a heavy bike, so I do need something that's gonna hold up, but it's not like I'm gonna make this a dedicated track motorcycle. So this is gonna be for the street, for the weekends, not a daily driver. You know, something to, you know, I don't ride like I used to anymore. I'm not out there every day, but I don't know. Let's see what the summer brings. So I'll fix that later. So we got both sides. Same thing. No big difference. Left and right. Really nice. The pads are still good on the bike, so I'm not sure yet. Maybe we'll do an update on the calipers. The calipers need some work. They're looking kind of crappy. I don't know if I'm gonna send them out to get powder coated, or if I want to get all crazy and buy a some Brembo calipers. Let's see. But here we go. Here is the moment. HyperPro suspension technology. So I was looking to update the shock on the TLR, and I had a decent shock, a WP, but it really wasn't set up for my weight or my specs of what I wanted to do. I bought it from a member from TL Planet in the Netherlands, and he was he was nice enough to send it over. And I've always had either an Olin's or a Penske shock back in the day, which were really good, really great actually. And I couldn't find any, so I reached out to Sean at Speed King Motorworks, and he pointed me to this HyperPro, and man, what can I say? It looks amazing. Let's take a look here. Here we go. Look at this. So I opted for the purple shock, and it's set up to my rider weight with gear on. It's just amazing. It's a really nice piece. It comes with everything you need, all the adjustments. It comes with the tool, so you can, I believe you can set up the ride height with this here. Let's see if we can move this around. I don't want to damage it, but man, it's really nice. Really nice piece here. It comes with everything. It comes with full instructions. Everything's billet aluminum. It's been anodized or powder coated. So you can see you have your high speed compression and your low speed compression dials. It's gonna look sick. Everything's gonna match up real nice. Very nice piece, very high quality. And like I said, everything's set up for the type of riding. You know, if you're gonna be taking it on the street and the track, they can adjust it for you. No problems. Let's see here. Okay, I believe these are this is gonna mount the reservoir on the TL. So I don't have that. If you guys know about the TL, it came with this rotary dampener. This is just hardware. And this is gonna make a big difference. Anything that you do to update this bike is gonna make a big difference, especially with the suspension. I think that's one of the weakest points of the TL. So let's take a look. You get a nice tool here. I believe this is gonna help you adjust the height. So let's see, you get some decals. I guess this is a rag to clean up the shock. I'll check this out. So you get a free rebuild with this coupon. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So you can get this refreshed, rebuild. You know, it's set up to your weight. So if you lose weight or if you gain weight, they can hook you up. So this is another nice piece. Okay, so I guess the EPM Performance are the guys that bring it into the US. Looks like they're in Jersey. Wow. All right, I didn't know that. Like I said, I got it from Speed King. He's in Colorado. He's one of the few guys from the planet, TL planet, that knows all the ins and outs of this bike. I mean, this isn't my first TL. I've had a couple, and I've been buying parts from him. Oh man, for many years now. I guess since I started riding. So you could say 7 to 10 years now. So I will put a link to his site. He's got a website and an online store where you can purchase that, or you can email him. I always email him, and he gives me the lowdown, not just on the TL, but any other bike that that you are working on. He knows what works, what doesn't. Check this out, see? There you go, Tl1000R, 98. So it tells you all the settings. Set up with a riding gear, 250-pound rider. I'm a little on the bigger side, so about 5'11", almost 6 feet. And let's check it out. Let's see what else you got. Okay, so you get the install instructions. See, this is the terrible rotary dampener that these bikes come with. Really not that great. Look at that. See, everything you need to install this. So hopefully we'll do a video soon of installing it, and I can give you my feedback on this. Like I said, I have a WP shock on there right now, which I'm probably going to send to him so he can refresh, respring, and we'll keep that as a spare, or I might just build a strictly track bike. So very nice piece, very, very nice. Look at this. Wow. All right, well, stay tuned. I'll be installing this pretty soon, and the rest of the goods that I have here. Let's see how everything works out, and we'll talk later.